All right, y'all. Hey. Welcome back to Sweet Gem Life. This is your girl, Keena. Today we are unboxing the November 2020 Simply Gilded box titled Fond Memories. Yeah, you see it. Bambi's here. Let's do this. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, the majority of the items came packaged in this cute little folder with the polka dot pink print and the gold bow. So let's get this stuff pulled out of here. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Keena. I am the owner operator of Sweet Gem Life. Here on this channel, I do a lot of planning, budgeting, finance, and unboxings of my favorite things. And today we're unboxing Simply Gilded. The name of this kit is titled Fond Memories, and I'll read through the menu card, and then what I'll do is as I unbox, I go down the menu. So we've got a foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, sticker storage pouch, deluxe storage pouch, a large fawn pattern pouch, which is what you saw the kit come in this month. It did not come in a box. It came in this fawn's pattern pouch. The next thing is the deluxe sticker kit and bonus. We did get a bonus this this month. I'm told that this is the anniversary of the Simply Gilded box. I'll verify that, put it down in the description box. The next item is an engraved gel ink pen, a sticky notepad, stitched B6 notebook, vellum sheet set, and the mystery item. So let's get into it. First up, we've got this foiled journaling card. We've got the fawn deer print here with the pink and the gold bow heart. Guys, I'll be honest with you. When Irene showed this box on her stories, I was a little concerned. I'm a city girl, most of you know. I now live in the country, or what some would consider the country, and I still don't eat deer meat. Everything's not for everybody. So deer, I don't want to say terrify me, but I'd like to keep my insurance as low as possible, my car insurance, and deer tend to be a threat to that. So me and deer are not friends, but we're not quite enemies either. So when she showed this kit, I was like, but it's got pink and gold, so I'll get it. I won't skip this one. And I'm kind of happy I didn't, because it's not that bad. I was really hoping it wasn't gonna go full out in the woods on me, and it didn't. So I'm pleasantly surprised. So this is the foiled journaling card. Next item up is the designer washi tapes. Here are the washi tapes from the basic kit. You've got the 15 and the 10 millimeter roll of the pink with the gold dots and the bows, which I'm absolutely in love with. We've got the the fawn. Did I really just try to mix deer and fawn? You've got the deer fawn print here with a gold line at the bottom. We've got a scalloped washi. I'm almost sure this is perforated. I will check. We've got another one here that has some florals, and it's got words on it: gratitude, memories, love, gratitude, memories. We've discussed that one. And then we've got this new puffy bow design that if you guys have purchased anything from the Christmas releases, the holiday releases, you've been seeing this puffy bow design. And it's glitter, so I'm pretty excited about that. Now I do have the 6 millimeter add-on that includes the heart and vine design in the pink. It has the same print. Nope, it's not the same, quite the same, but there is a plaid print with the gold foil hearts here. Here is the color block with the teal from this one and a gold stripe, and then there's the fawn print with gold bows. Give me a second, let me get this unrolled for you. All right, here's the washi all rolled out. I'll zoom in for you so you guys can get a good view. So again, I'll be honest, I'll keep it real with y'all. I was a little scared. I am loving this entire color scheme. The pinks, this glitter, oh my god. Let me give y'all Viv wiggle because y'all need to see that. This glitter puffy bow is so stinking pretty. This the aqua color with the gold, it is perforated. And then the 6mm add-on, if y'all don't have it, listen, if your coins allow, upgrade and get the 6mm add-on. I promise you, if you love washi like I do, you can't go wrong. You really can't. So this is the washi tapes from the November box. The next item is this deluxe storage pouch. So it has the floral print, it's got the pink, it's got gold hardware. There is a pocket here on the front. It goes all the way down to the bottom. Unzip it. We've got 2 pockets here. They go all the way down to the bottom. There's another pocket here with the clear heart. Then we have a clear zip pouch that does unsnap from here if you want to change the configuration inside. Then we've got another piece that unsnaps and comes out. This is pretty cool if you want to do some traveling, you want to take some stuff with you. And it's got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 16 slots for pens. That's more than enough pens if you're on the go. Then it has the Simply Gilded logo down here at the bottom. It feels pretty sturdy, guys, so there's that. You know, my biggest concern is taking my pretties, sticking them in my planner bag, and then they get all beat up and then they're not pretty anymore. So there's the deluxe storage pouch, the deluxe. Okay, y'all, the next item on the list is the deluxe sticker kit. I'll go over the bonus in just a second, but here is the sticker kit. We've got our headers, full boxes. We've got some flags, some more headers, some deco headers, and some deco items here. We've got our 2 sets of date covers, full boxes, some more headers, some checklists, and some bows and more icons. Here we have our bow seals. We've got some more icons in this very cute pink hollow design. I'm not sure what to call this or what Irene calls it, so I'm gonna find that out and put that down in the description box. But these are super cute and they're almost transparent. Lord help me. Then we have our date heart icons in the pink polka dot with the gold foil. I love these. I really hope to get my hands on another set of those. And then we have the additional sheet with some more deco, half boxes, and another full box and checklists in the middle. So that is the sticker kit. And let's go over the bonus. So it's got almost, whoa, I was about to say something crazy. I was gonna say it has almost the same color scheme. Obviously that's not the case because there are a couple of sheets of stickers in here. So this one says Deco Card 6 DC6, Deco Card 7. So this one is, I guess you could call holiday themed because we've got Give Thanks, we've got a Christmas decorated tree, a tree and a sleigh. So here's your Christmas stickers. It says Merry Meal. This owl is so stinking cute. And this one says Fall in Love. They are all gold foil, so I'm happy. This next sheet, I'm guessing this is summer themed with this endless summer sticker down here. It is hollow foiled. You can, as you can see, the rainbows are everywhere, peace sign, hearts, bow. So this is the bonus sticker sheet. The next item up is the engraved gelling pen. Y'all know I am very happy with this gold pen. Okay, we're here for it. It has the Simply Gilded logo, the bow on the top. As you can see, I'm hot, it's fogging up. And it writes black gel, a gold pen. And these, if you don't already have the Simply Gilded pens, they write very smooth, very similar to the Villa Beautiful pens. So that is the engraved gelling pen. Next item up is this sticky notepad. It is the pink and white polka dot with the gold bow up there. So I'm very happy about this. This is also something I'm gonna have to get another one of. The back says designed with love in the USA, manufactured in China. So they are sticky notes, as you can see. It doesn't say on the menu card how many there are, but I will count them for you and guys and put it down in the description box. But this is super cute. Super, super cute. So that is the sticky notepad. Next, we have the Stitched B6 notebook. It does have this gorgeous plaid print with the gold bow and wreath around it. You guys know how the B6 notebooks go. They are either grid or lined. Most of the time they're dot grid. So that is the Stitched B6 notebook. Next, we have this vellum sheet set. So this is super cute. This Fall in Love. This plaid with the gold is just gorgeous anyway. So we have this vellum sheets, B6 sized, and then we have the fawn print, B6 sized. So that is the vellum sheet set. Now, the next item I'll be showing is the mystery item. If you're not interested in seeing the mystery item so that it doesn't ruin the mystery for you, please exit this video. Thank you for watching. I do truly appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next one. But for those of you that would like to see the mystery item, boom, we've got a fawn hair tie. Isn't that cute? This is not big enough. It's strong enough, but this is definitely not big enough to hold my hair. For those of you that have seen my hair, it's wild, crazy, and curly. And I'd kill myself trying to get this in, but this is super cute. So that is the mystery item. All right, y'all. So this is the November 2020 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Fawn'd Memories. I truly enjoyed unboxing this, and I'm really glad I didn't cancel my membership because I love it. I say this almost every other month. I'm terrified when I don't immediately love things, and then they get here and I'm like, oh, love it, keeping it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe so you can get notifications of my next videos, duh. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. And Christmas is